Yeah, hallo. I better continue to English because we have some international birds here. We have mallard, which is the ancestor of the domestic duck. Brown is a female and with a dark green head is a male. And then we have Eurasian coot, who has a worldwide distribution from Europe, Asia, and even down to Australia or New Zealand, so they're natural there. The mallard also occurs in Australia but got introduced, they also got introduced to North America and elsewhere. Yeah. And now here in winter they gather together to wait for food or being fed and they form loose groups. That's all what I wanted to say now.
Danke.
Okay.